Get your bars up, I get it on me, yeah I do. Endorsement, whole team pull up in Porsche. We came a long way from them Porsche. Get your bars up and get extorted. Get your bars up, I pulled up, shot his car up.
What up, bro? It's your guy BA for Real 100, and welcome to Get Your Bars Up. Reaction, salute. So we back up in this thing with another one. And first and foremost, as always, salute to everybody that's been rocking 1,000%. We have just now crossed the 15,000 subscriber mark, and I'm super excited. That means that y'all are rocking with me, and the platform is growing, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And before we get into this, make sure you definitely hit that like button. And if this is your first time here, hit that hype button and hit that subscribe button. Why? Because the content is dope and it's completely free. It's completely free to show love. And plus, we got one of my favorites. We're reviewing one of my favorites. I see that this is just dropped too as well. Shouts out to RAYE. Y'all know I love me some RAYE. Y'all know I love me some RAYE. Yikes. You feel me? Like, when I first heard her about a year and a half ago, and she's been out for a minute, I was like, who is this woman? Like, why is she? Oh my gosh. And then the different subjects that she was singing on in the last song that I did, that I actually reacted to was, she was looking for a husband. And throughout that reaction, and if you're watching this now, RAYE, I told you, wait, I'm here. What you looking for? Like, you don't got to look no more. I'm right here. You looking for a husband? Hey, BA, get your bars up. Get your bars. Yeah, you got your bars up too. But anyways, let me stop it. Shout out to the lovely, talented RAYE. It looks like she just dropped a new song, and she actually she performed it live. And the name of this is called Nightingale Lane. And she performed it live at the at Abbey Road Studios. So I'm trying to hear what the queen is talking about. I'm excited because like I do support her music, and I think that she's, like, all joking aside, a very, very dope, talented artist, and I'm here for it. So without further ado, we have RAYE. Talk your ish, queen. Let's go. Okay.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane.
Heartbreak.
On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer-stained, and tear-stained was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the oceans I cried are made of steel, just like but when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I'm letting go now. Just see a ghost town when sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself, I dare myself to go on just saying somebody loved me once, somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. Baby, would have loved someone the way I loved you. It was right there in June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain. Yeah.
If you don't follow my I have another channel. Get Your Bars Up Media is my other channel that I have on YouTube. And I actually have panels, and I do lives. We talk and discuss about specifically hip hop, R&B, and things of that nature, and battle rap, right? And we got into this discussion specifically recently about R&B, and we were talking about just women, like the love feeling from R&B. And we were talking about just the certain type of women or ladies that, as a fan of the culture, being a man, listening to these ladies sing, it sounds like they're talking directly to you, and they're talking like they're singing directly to you, where it's just you and them. and how these days you don't get that feeling. Well, with this, I bring that up to say with this particular record, RAYE, with the fun, like her voice is amazing, and the passion that she sings with is second to none, low key. But the way she just gave me chills because it's like she's talking to me, and this brings me back to it brings me to a nostalgic moment of my own being when I was much younger, of course, being that heartbreaker that has had moments where I took advantage of, and I made it super special, and then I disappeared, because it didn't work out for whatever situation. Or she disappeared because it didn't work out for whatever situation. So RAYE, you talking to me quick. Yikes. Yikes. Like, don't get caught up in the beauty. Like, listen to her voice. Listen to these bars. Listen to these bars. Listen to this story and the passion and the feel. Believability is a must, even when you're singing.
Park Avenue, standing in the rain. Yeah, it took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. And I sigh when I drive down this road. I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights, with closed eyes, I tell myself, in fact, I tell myself to go on, just stay out. Somebody love me once. Someday, somebody will again. Like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane.
Nightingale Lane, right?
And though we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right there, early June, next to Old Park Avenue. Standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. I've dabbled in love since, maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down. And knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded that though I've let him go now, right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will. Someone will come and find me there. I know it. Someone will love me like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nightingale Lane live at the Abbey Road with the London Symphony Orchestra and the Flames. I can't see that last part because that will move out the way. But that was the lovely RAYE. And I can relate to this song in a way, in a sense of just through just through experience, right? I feel what she's saying. Damn, she looking good too, right? You looking good, Queen. Yes, you are. You looking good. But as far as from a sonic standpoint, though, and that voice is amazing too. That voice is freaking amazing. Y'all see how she brought that octave, like she like leveled up, and she try not to, man. Anyways, let's get back to it, because you can get hypnotized. That can hypnotize you. But with that being said, it's relatable. This song is very relatable. And it's like, if you look at it from the glass half full aspect, then it's like you needed to fall in love and get your heart broken, because before falling in love, you didn't even know that you could even be in love and to actually give yourself or share yourself with someone else. And when you get the experience too, you're more aware, and you make sure people earn it if there's a next time around, right? And you're kind of selfish with yourself, but you know that you can take it there if the person is right for you and you are right for them. And again, that snapshot of that feel of that former relationship when everything was high and when everything was low, it's like it's embedded in your spirit, so you know when something is gonna be right and when something's gonna be wrong. So it's like you needed to go through that. The glass half empty, though. She said it in this song, 10 years. Sometimes it can take you a decade. And for a lot of you that are very, very young listening to this because you enjoy this record and y'all rock with me, of course, as well. It sucks. It sucks. But in this lifetime, if you live long enough, and you've actually experienced life and not just was too caught up and too by yourself and too secluded from the world, then you're bound to go through this. But anyways, once again, shout out to RAYE. Wonderful, wonderful record. This was Nightingale Lane live at the Abbey Road Studios. I got to get up out of here now. This your guy, BA For Real 100. This is Get Your Bars Up Reactions. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. You rock with me, I rock with you. And if you don't got your bars up, you can definitely hold this L. This L is not for a loss, it's for a lesson. Why? Because we stay giving them peace and love. Salute. Tell me what y'all think in that comment section about this particular record. Like I said, to me, it's amazing. It's amazing. And yeah, I'm definitely, when I turn this camera, I'm definitely going to listen to it again. Just saying.
Get your bars up, I get it on me, yeah I do. Endorsement, whole team pull up in Porsche. We came a long way from them Porsche. Get your bars up and get extorted. Get your bars up, I pulled up, shot his car up. Yeah.